Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Tell Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and in this episode we are going to be talking about Bitcoin Indecision continues. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. What is up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the second day of the year. Ain't that cool? New year, man. New hopes, what else? New projects that are going to be coming out, right? Let's see what's going to be in during 2022. Is it going to be NFTs? Is it going to be DeFi? Are we going to get something new coming out in crypto, right? That's going to be interesting. Anyways, let's get rolling. Let's who's in the house. Jeff Loomis, what's up, bro? Kerry, happy New Year's. Jeff Loomis, happy New Year. Andrew. LFG, looking for group? I'm not sure. Feeling like a bull run coming? All right. Bitcoin Jake 09. Rockets. Great Gaming says, I miss the old intro song. I know, I like the old intro song. It's actually timed, and I know when I'm running out of time because I already know that song. But I'm doing random playlists now, so I think it kind of helps to keep everything a little bit more, I guess, different every stream, so the music will not be the same. I'm not sure. We'll see. We can always go back to the old playlist. Elon, what's up? Felix, morning. MA, chicken egg. Carthio, happy New Year's. All right, I think that's it. I think we've gone through everything. Let's get rolling and let's get cracking here on crypto. Again, guys, make sure if you're liking the content, you're hitting that like, that bell, and that sub, right? Right on. Let's go to market cap. Oh no, it looks horrible. Let's fix it by going to automatic. There we go. All right, market cap. What are we doing? Nobody knows what it's doing down there, man. Let's see if I can get this. There we go, a little bit better. So, going down, find support, going for the 20, rejecting yesterday, rejecting, well, today, and also rejecting already for tomorrow, which, like I said, we're at this area. We need to get above that 20. If we don't, we're going to be looking for this yellow line here at 2.15 trillion. And then if we do get above that 20, which is at 2.26 trillion, we're gonna be looking for this move here to 2.40 trillion, right? Those are targets. We're still in the same area that we were at yesterday, so not a lot happening. Neutral at 44.74. Let's go to Bitcoin, because there was really not a lot going on right now. Bitcoin, again, Indecision. We managed to close yesterday at, where was it closing here? 47,350. We have our target at 47,338. It's just, we can say it's on target. Like, dude, we can't see it, right? Even if we zoom in a lot, it just looks as though it's on target. It's just a fraction that we're off, right? So 47,350, we're at 47,338. We're like $12 off target. It's a hit. On a $47,000 move, $12 is nothing. And we're opening and gapping down, and we're starting to move down, right? So we're gonna have this thing that was support, right now it's opening, is going to become resistance. That's the way it looks like right now. And like I said, we're just moving sideways, right? And I said this the other day, look, we had a hump, that was fine. That was a Christmas pump that we were hoping for, that we got. I said we might get a New Year's rally. We didn't, sadly enough. But again, look at this. I'm not gonna try to box anything, but just going from this top and this bottom, right, that bottom there, look at where all the moves are. So we can say that from December the 6th, most of the motion that we're getting is sideways, right? So nothing special, right? There's nothing special going on. We're waiting for a move to happen. That is it. We're waiting for a move to happen. That is crypto, man. Some days, this is what it rolls. Let's go here to this chart. All right, let's get the boot. Anyways, what are we doing here? We are still in this area of indecision, right? We are trying to stay above this line, right? This yellow line. That acts as the neckline for the head and shoulders, larger pattern. We're also doing what looks to be the three rising valleys still. We're still higher than the previous valley here. We're still in play. And lastly, we have this history that we've been talking about, and whether or not we're going to repeat it, right? So we know that we've been coming down here, popping, coming back down, pop, right? Coming back down, popping, coming back down, and then pop. And here we have our history here. Coming back down, up, down, and now are we going to go here, man? And that's what I said. We need to come down here for us to repeat this pattern for the third time and pop to the upside, right? That would be that would be an awesome move if we go over there, right? Now, something that I'm looking for is divergence, and we don't have any yet, right? We're going slightly higher. We're still making positive momentum. It's like not the cleanest. Like we don't have any here for divergence. I really wish we just had bullish divergence. We could say, yo, there's bullish divergence. We're going to expect a move to the upside. It's not there. For that to happen, we need to drop a little bit. Anchor, right? Then go from negative to less negative. Or that curve horribly. Negative to less negative, right? And say, yo, there is bullish divergence. Let's start looking for a pump, right? Right, let's keep rolling. Our videos happening here, man. Right on. So, starting to get what looks also like a double bottom that we've been talking about, right? One bottom being here, the other bottom starting to develop here. Now, we have a couple patterns. We just need to decide, but not we, Bitcoin needs to decide which pattern it wants to go for, and then we'll know where we're going to be looking for, right? We're going to be looking for a move. That's it. Good seeing you, buddy. Yeah, good seeing you too. Anyways, that is it. We're looking. We're waiting. That's the game. Waiting for Bitcoin to do something. Let's go to the 4-hour. The 4-hour, we had this hidden divergence, put pressure on the price, broke us below that 47,238. We're struggling. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Unable to break above it. Kind of sucks. We're losing that 20 as well. Again, not the strongest move here, right? It's just consolidating sideways. So we don't know where we're going to go. We're going to take a drop, right? Try to drop. Felt to get lower than this previous low with this bullishness would give continuation, right? Any last thing we have on the strong side is this strong bullish here. Now, the strong bullish, basically what tells us is that this hidden bearish might not play to the downside, right? This hidden bearish, all it gets us to do is move down or sideways, right? Right now, we're moving a little bit on the sideways. We could drop a bit so long as we don't drop farther than this line here, right? Dropping farther than the price line would start to put Bitcoin in a place where we could start looking for a negation to happen, right? And dropping lower, then we'll be anchoring for new divergence probably. And we're probably not going to have it because if we drop slightly lower, right, then this previous low, anything coming down here, right, would very likely be making more negative momentum, right? And therefore, we're not going to have divergence, at least not against the MACD, right? Anyways, what? Oh, sorry, May. No, there was someone that was posting scam links, so we decided to ban them. We don't want none of that. There's a lot of people that come in and write like 4 letters and then dot and then a couple of other letters towards the end. I think those are just like people that are spamming stuff, so we just delete the comments, make sure people are not going to be going into any of those things that are not good for the community. Anyways, bearishness. So right now we're moving sideways, right? And we're neutral at 45.02. Not a lot happening here on the bullishness. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1 hour. Low to high, high to low, man. Again, bearishness. All right. We have the bearish divergence. Sadly enough. All right, so I can even anchor it from here and it'll still work. Look, from here, it's the same thing. Come from a high point to a low point, right? Look at that. Boom. Bearish divergence. Strong potential fraction of downside moving down. Failing to drop lower than the previous low. Are we failing to drop lower than the previous low? Let's zoom in here. Yeah, we're about the same level. 47, 46, then 38. All right. This works. This works. There's some bullishness here, all right? Inside was here on the price. Coming from negative momentum to less negative momentum. Slightly. Medium bullish divergence. Taking a pop. Failing to get higher than the previous high. Again, strong bearish coming in, putting pressure. Medium bullish trying to get us to rally, but rejecting 47,338 again, or foe, until we get above it. Now we're coming back down, still higher than the previous low, also less negative momentum and higher on the RSI. Neutral 44.09 again. Indecision, man. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum 3,796. What do you guys think January is gonna be? You guys think we're gonna get a green January? Type 1 if you think January is gonna be positive. Type 2 if you think January is gonna be negative. And I'm actually gonna write those down. I am intrigued. I want to see what you guys think we're gonna be doing here. Let me know, and I'll see what Type 1 for a green January, type 2 for a red January, and then I'll start adding them up, and then we'll queue them up, right? So we'll go green and red, and we'll write here audience. What does the audience say? Andrew says big one, so he thinks we're gonna go big green. All right. Yeah, Carrie says 1 also, right? That's 2. I just want to see where you guys are hoping the market's going to move. Well, you guys come up with the numbers. All right. From 4 also says 1. There we go. Yeah. Diplomas also says green. All right. All right. There's a couple people coming in, casting their votes. At least 4 people. Thank you for participating in our small poll. Let's check out Ethereum. Bullish Divergence starting to take a pop again. Yesterday, very nice for Ethereum. Going up 1.66% right now, coming down 0.74%. Not the best move, but again, we need to go for that 20 moving average or even this line and try to break that blue line. That's what we need to do. We have the bullish divergence to get the move. So neutral 44.0 on the dot. So we'll see where this goes, right? Let's go check out the 4-hour chart. Not the 1 hour, the 4. Here we go. All right, so we had this hidden divergence here. Put pressure on the price, get us to move down a bit. That's fine. Came to a 20, found support popping. Great. Now we're going higher, and this is coming higher as well. And guess what? We no longer have bearish divergence. It's all good, man. So no longer do we have bearish divergence. Last thing we had medium bullish divergence or strong bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. The 4 hour. With that, taking our nice rally, neutral at 52.92. With that, we can still run more to the upside if Bitcoin allows. Bitcoin moving sideways. Bitcoin moving sideways is going to give room for alts, Ethereum, and all other coins to start looking for potential rallies if they're feeling bullish or drops if they're feeling bearish. And right now, it looks as though with the sideways motion that we're getting with Bitcoin, a lot of the alts are starting to feel bullish, right? So let's hope we can continue with that motion. 1 hour chart. The last thing we had was hidden bullish. Look, taking our pop. Great. We had strong bearish, right? Strong bearish here short term. Created that hidden bullish, and on that we took a rally. Very nice move. And that is nice for one reason, and one reason only. When we have bearish indicators and they're fatal play out, we know that probably the bulls are in control. And this here bearish divergence coming in down, hidden bullish, getting us to pump, tells me that at least hidden bullish is playing a lot more, is playing a lot stronger than strong bearish. Therefore, the bears must not be in control right now, the price of Ethereum. And we're getting our pops right now. We're going higher, low to high, more positive, even here, high to low. Everything here is good. We're not creating anything bearish right now. It's okay. Ethereum could keep on running, right? Oh yeah, I saw you guys posted something on Vegas Strip. I haven't been able to answer. Oh yeah, we need to have a chat going on there, man. Maybe today after the stream, we're gonna jump on the chat real quick. And let's get some points down. And see how many people are interested. But yeah, if you're in the Trooper chat on Discord, gonna go have a Vegas trip. Right on. Ethereum starting to go down. That's it. Flagging, going for that 20. It looks as though we want to bounce. Nothing bearish happening on the 1 hour. Hopefully it can keep on running, right? There's no reason why it should just go down. It has nothing bearish right now. Not on the larger scales. So 1 hour is clear. 4 hour, nothing bearish. Then the daily. Last one we had was hidden bearish, but we have this strong bullish. And again, there's no reason why the Ethereum shouldn't keep on running. So with that in mind, let's go check out ADA, I guess, and then the Maze request for Hive. About time the bears get exhausted. Yeah. It's winter. Bears should be hibernating right now. Winter, right? Anyways, Cardano. All right, struggling. I see a nice bounce happening here. All right, so we're above the 20. But below $1.40, right? So yesterday we can see that we were on this channel still above the 20. And we're also above this here fib 134, $1.34. And so long as we stay above the 20, which is support there also right now, and then this fib extension, this fib retracement, we'll be probably ping-ponging in this area until we either break the $1.40 or the $1.34. That's it. I mean, there's really not a lot going on. There's nothing bullish. It's just trying to do something, but also looking undecided, right? Look at this. A lot of just sideways motion here. Nothing up or down. Neutral 46.95. 4 hour. 4 hour chart had the bullish divergence. Took our pop. Very nice. We're not creating anything bearish, right? High to low, positive, high to low, neutral at 48.51. So not a lot happening here in ADA. 1 hour. Look, coming up higher, coming down lower. Strong bearish divergence finally coming through, developing something here in ADA. I mean, not necessarily the best thing to develop because it's bearish, but at least we do have something now. Instead of like, just monotonous nothingness happening. Here we go, look at this. Bearish. Moving down, hitting the 20, trying to bounce. Failing to get higher than the previous high, dropping again. That's it. Low to high, and then negative, more negative. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence coming into place. And with that, possibility that we pump back up to the 20. Here is going to be, this is going to be testing. Well, and ADA is feeling bullish. If Bitcoin stagnates and we get sideways motion, and ADA manages to rally, that's going to be telling us that this divergence here is having no effect on the market, right? So strong bearish divergence is failing to play out. And that'll be telling us the bulls are in control. Now, if this doesn't play out and this just drops, again, that's fine. It's strong bearish. But, we don't know who's in control yet. Because hidden bullish, all it gets us to is maybe bounce to that 20 moving average. Maybe try to get higher than the previous high. That's it. So we got to wait and see where ADA is going to go. Again, it's a waiting game right now, right? That's why I've been telling you guys is wait. It's Indecision. It's undecided. If you look at the last couple of stream names or the descriptions of streams, this is Bitcoin's undecided. This undecided. This is going on like this. So we'll see. Anyways, let's keep rolling, man. Hive next. Let's go check out the Hive. Hive at $1.72. On the daily, that's a weekly. On the daily, here we go. Hive sideways motion. It looks as though it was trying to recover, but not really. Now trying to recover again. It's looking okay. Yesterday pumped 12%. That's very nice. Right now bumping 2.32% at $1.72. All right. Low to high negative. There's nothing bullish or bearish here. Neutral at 55.91. All right. Is this a Hive? A May, or is it the Hive with a Y? I think it's this one, right? Because there's another Hive that has Y. But you wrote Hive with a I, so I think it's this one. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, let's see if we had something here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing here. High to low, positive, more positive. All right, cool. This could work. We have this tiny break here. I think we're gonna go with this one here for the hidden divergence. That's gonna put pressure on the price because the break that we had, it's tiny. This is like a 1 bar break. So on the negative momentum island here, that's the reason I'm choosing to ignore this here break. Because it needs to be one whole island, right? Hidden bearish, putting pressure on the price, and we might see some stagnation starting to happen here. We'll see though. Again, it looks as though it wants to go full on bullish, and that'll be nice. Bought at 68.27, so nothing bearish happening here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Can you do KDA? Yeah, why not? We can do KDA. Look at this. Bullish divergence. Strong. Oh no, the bullish divergence comes in. Sorry, bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Gotta get us to break down. Oh no. That's it. I mean, really not a lot going on here. Strong bearish. Potential fraction of downside. If we do start to go down, 20 moving average will be an actual target at $1.60. Other than that, I mean, really, that's it. Just Hive is just chilling. It's trying to pump. It's trying to go bullish. It just keeps on going full and bullish. That's going to be good. But The fact that it's starting to take off with a lot of strength could be a extremely bullish sentiment, and when there's extremely bullish sentiments in the market, the bearish indicators fail to play out. Best way to know is we're gonna get this to pump, and if it starts to go higher than this previous high here and it gets divergence on the MACD and the RSI, then that's it, man. We're going full on bullish. Right? So up next, KDA and then BET. Now, that's what's going to tell us, right? Just pump from here with the divergence, bearish divergence. And pumping, man, that's going to tell us that bulls are in control here. Right on. KDA at $11.84. On the daily, KDA not so hot, breaking below 50% retrace, also below 20 moving average. Low, high, negative. All right, nothing here that is bearish or bullish. So right now, as you can tell, right, we're coming up higher, negative momentum to positive, low to high. Everything seems to be in order. Now, not going to be the worst thing here if we do make a little bit of negative momentum in this area, right? Get this cross here. And then we immediately cross over again, right? And get our blue line to cross. And here it'll be like boom, right? Because we're below the zero line. So remember, this crosses here below the zero line, they're good. They get us to pump a lot. So getting another negative cross here, right? To negative momentum and then immediately crossing back to green would be could be extremely good for Canada. Neutral 46.70. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, look at this. Down lower. Right, strong bullish divergence, right? Potential fraction to the upside. Also here. Strong bullish divergence, right? Could be looking for a rally. Try to overtake this 50% retrace at 12.19. And then aim for that 20 moving average at 12.55. So bullish in the 4 hour. 1 hour chart. Looks a little bit like a mess. So on this move here, and this is the only move I can look at right now because otherwise it just gets too messy. Right, because here to here, it's going much more negative momentum as we're coming lower. So nothing there. And on this bit, I think we could say that there is bullish divergence. Strong against the MACD and the RSI. With that, again, there could be a possibility for a rally to start coming in. Same target, right? $12 and $12.19, and then above there, $12.22 at the 20 moving average. Break it down. So again, bullishness on 1 hour, bullishness on the 4 hour, and then the daily, clear. I just noticed that the day at 1 hour is going through onto the 4 hour. So let's clean it up as while we're here. Why not? Clean up, then we'll jump onto VET with the V chain. That sometimes those things, sometimes they just don't do jack. Good stuff, guys. How's you guys' holiday season? Let me know. I'll get to hang out with family, do fun stuff, dinners, or you all stay in your houses, do nothing because, so like 15th wave of whatever this is. All right, VT. Outstanding holidays. I loved it. Oh, that's pretty good. From Forces. Carrie says, very nice. From Forces. I got to stay home and enjoy everything from home for a change. That's pretty good, man. Short term, seems like the trend will continue to be sideways. Yeah. For me, it was really nice. I got to stay home. I got to, I was still working. I didn't take any vacation days. Taking vacations in February and then for Vegas trip. But Vegas trip will be streaming as we are on the strip, hanging out and chilling in Vegas. That's going to be a fun trip. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, right? All right, VT, let's go on the daily. Low to high, negative, positive, low to high, neutral at 44.86. At low. Have to zoom in here. All right, hidden bearish on here, VT on daily. I think I'm gonna have to zoom out here in a second, but yeah, that's what it looks like we have. Look at this, boom, boom. Hidden bearish, put pressure on the price if we're getting to that 618. Come back down. Still right now, struggling to stay above that 20, which is good. Nothing else bullish happening here. Neutral at 44.83. It's looking okay. Just struggling to determine where we want to go, above the 20 or below 20. But if we do break below 20, we'll be targeting here again, 786. Sorry, that's not 76. That's 7.48 cent mark. 786 is down here at 5.71. And then if we do manage to stay above this area, the 20, looking for targeting 9.99 cents for our chart. Look at this, bullish divergence strong. With that, the possibility for a rally. Ain't that great? Well, let's go for a rally. Everyone wants to go for a rally. Here we go. Look at this. Boom, boom, and blam. Here we go. Neutral at 49.51. So not looking bad. Not looking bad. All right. High to low. Low to high. All right. So bearish. Divergence hidden. Could get us to move sideways. And I think that's what we're starting to get here, right? That struggle in the price to go higher. So moving to a 20 moving average, we already kind of hit it. Not really, but, you know, very, very close to hitting it. So going for a 20 moving average would be a natural move, and then we'll see if we bounce there or something. But again, that hit divergence is going to put pressure on that price, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour also, bearish divergence. Strong, though. Look at this. Blam. Oh, no, it has strong bearish divergence. With that, the possibility for it moving to the downside. And we're starting to get that moving down, right? We went to a 20, try to hold, losing it, come back below it, backtesting it, rejecting, backtesting it. Yes, backtesting it. Backtesting it, rejecting it, now dropping even farther down. It's coming lower, more negative momentum, and lower still. Neutral at 40.8. That's it. Almost getting to that sold area, right? So it kind of sucks you don't have anything bullish here. But, you know, it's not bad. Not necessarily bad. It's just indecision. Indecision, man. Is Bitcoin still making an uptrend? We haven't checked that. I feel like we haven't checked that. So let's go to this chart. We're not really making lower lows than the previous low here, but just getting to that sideways motion. We really start pumping here on Bitcoin. Otherwise, we could be looking for some trouble. I really just want Bitcoin to move up and get away as much as you can from 47,000 and the inverse. Sorry, not the inverse. And the head and shoulders that it's planning to build here on the daily, right? Again, it's to really just start breaking the trend. So it looks as though we're breaking the trend on the shorter time scales. But on the larger time scales, we're still not breaking the trend, right? This is a down-sloping trend, right? We're not yet making any high. Chat about Vegas trip tonight on Discord. Yeah, that'll work. Right on. So we're gonna keep it sweet for tonight. It's short. It's sweet. It's Sunday. Let's go here real quick and look at the top 10 cryptos. Ranking. I think this ranks everything. Crypto ranking. Here we go. On the 24 hours, let's see what's pumping. Anchor up 12%. Year in finance up 12%. Bor up 11%. Quantum one up 8%. So that's good. Some stuff is moving up. A lot of green, right? Look at this. On the last 7 hours, on the last 24 hours, sorry. A lot of green. A lot of green, right? It's just very few coins that are here in the red. Tether, Binance, Pax, Loopring, Cardano, Pro. Not that many coins that are on the red. So let's go here onto, and then the most that is losing is AR. Look at that 2 hour. Sorry, that second page. Let's get into a 24-hour chart here. What is power? Jesus, it went up 52%. What? Elf, 36. Ardor, 19. Flux, 15. Golem, 14. Civic, 10. Hive, 9%. Already looked at that. All right, some stuff is moving up. Again, about half the market moving down on the top 200, and then the other half moving up. So good, good. It's a balance in the market. All right, let's go here and go back to Bitcoin. There's something I want to check on the corn, and for some reason now this is stuck. So I have to wait a little bit until this processes and says you are allowed to. Because that's how it's happening here on TradingView. Here on my phone, for some reason, it gets stuck when it loads. See, and I just have to say wait. And then at some point in time, the makers of TradingView are gonna have mercy on us, and they're gonna let us shift here things in the page. So here we're gonna wait again. That's how it rolls, man. Sometimes it happens throughout the day, and it just yeah. So if this happens, like, yeah, there we go. Now it's moving. Now it's moving. All right, let's see Bitcoin. Look, we're starting to open the month on the red. Well, the week at least. And then the month is slightly on the green. Oh, we're making a very, very tiny green candle. Oh my goodness, it's slightly green. Bearish divergence strong. Potential for moving down. The monthly and the weekly also had bearish divergence strong. For potential moving down as well. Look at that. Moving down. So we'll see, man. Again, hoping that we get action to the upside. Here on the weekly, don't look that bad, right? I mean, we are kind of breaking this line here, which would have been acting as support. But if we look at this as a trend also, right? Everything here is higher, right? We're still higher even than this previous high here. So we're still, we could say that we're still kind of an uptrend of sorts for Bitcoin. But we're just gonna go back to the daily. And guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Again, if you enjoyed the show, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on Discord, right? Links have gone out. Pin at the top of the chat. Remember, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is So Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here on an awesome Sunday night. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you very much for watching. Catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.